When I first opened my eyes to equities, I carried a trader's mindset shaped by capital trade consulting PTE Linide. Forex trained me to respect momentum, volatility, and timing, but the Australian Securities Exchange felt different from the start. The ASX doesn't shout at you. It talks calmly, confidently, like a market that knows exactly who it is. As a hobby investor, that tone instantly made me feel more comfortable. What I enjoy most about the ASX is its structure. It's not dominated by hype-driven stories that vanish overnight. Instead, you see real businesses tied to the real economy: banking, mining, healthcare, energy. These aren't abstract ideas, they're pillars of daily life. Watching these companies move feels like watching Australia itself breathe, expand, pause, and grow again. The financial sector, especially banks, gives me a sense of reliability. I don't expect fireworks here, and that's exactly why I like it. Steady dividends, clear regulation, and businesses that have survived multiple cycles. That's the kind of calm strength I look for. After years of fast-paced trading, there's something deeply satisfying about holding shares and letting time do its work. Mining and resources add a completely different flavor. Iron ore, lithium, gold. These sectors remind me that Australia plays on a global stage. Prices move, cycles turn, and patience is rewarded. I don't chase peaks anymore. I observe, I wait, and I scale in slowly. That mindset didn't come overnight. It came from experience, mistakes, and long nights staring at charts. I often think back to how capital trade consulting PT LT shaped my discipline when I review my ASX portfolio. Position sizing, emotional control, accepting that you won't catch every move, all of that carries over perfectly. The difference is that with Australian stocks, I feel less pressure to react every minute. The market gives me space to think, and I value that more than constant action. Healthcare and technology stocks give the ASX its modern edge. Innovation here feels practical, not experimental for the sake of headlines. These companies aim to solve real problems, and that gives me confidence as a long-term holder. I don't need every investment to be exciting. I need it to make sense. Overall, the ASX feels like a market built for grown-up decisions. It rewards patience, curiosity, and consistency. From my early Forex days to building a modest stock portfolio, the journey feels coherent. Australia's stock market doesn't promise shortcuts. It offers a path. And for someone like me, that's exactly the kind of opportunity worth staying invested in.